Alright, what we got here is the Mercedes GLC 2019, now installed with a brand new Android 12-inch screen in the original location. So it's a factory style 12-inch screen. So we took the old 6-point-inch screen out. So it retains your original system still, so you can still use your original system, and you can switch over to the new system by holding the back button. You can see there's the new Android system on there, so you can it's fully touchscreen as well. You can download all your favorite apps on here because it's like an Android phone basically. So you got the Play Store, you got Netflix, YouTube, you can watch on here as well. Additionally, also it has full wireless CarPlay support and Android Auto. So as you can see, you got CarPlay running, no wires connected. All the sound comes to the original system as well. So yeah, if you want something like this retrofitted on your car to give that new vehicle style look, come visit Car Sound Security. Call us on 028-554-5554 and inquire today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, guys. We got lots of videos coming with different cars with different systems, so you can have a look.